People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Welcome back to my channel. So there is a mystery in Portland. There is a big mystery. Headline says, wife of Portland businessman found with throat slashed in burning car. This is coming from what it was 11 years ago that this same businessman, his first wife, was also found murdered. So I don't know if this is a mystery or this is coincidence. So the headline say, police detectives are now combing through section of Sherwood Forest in eastern Portland following the discovery of the body of the wife of a prominent businessman. Police sources say the body of Tonia McDonald, wife of businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald, was discovered shortly after 9 p.m. Monday, with her throat slashed and body partially burnt. And it reads that it wasn't far from where she actually lived. So the incident happened more than 10 kilometers from Dolphin Bay, where the woman lived. According to the police, an alarm was raised after a burning vehicle was spotted in a secluded area in Sherwood Forest. Firefighters rushed to the scene and put out the fire amid rain. The body was later found inside the vehicle. So them killed the woman and light her up on fire. The police theorized the woman was abducted. So the police said they think the woman was abducted and murdered. And then the car set ablaze. And as I said before, people, in May 2009, McDonald's first wife, Merlene, was gunned down outside the gate at the Bone Brook near the entrance of a Spring Bank Road. So people may know if a coincidence this or what, but 11 years ago, is either them hate the man or hate the wife. Something are going, something fishy about this. Something fishy about this, people. I'm not gonna tell no lie. This not seem right. Just leave in the comments what you think, cause we're gonna keep updated with this the story, cause something fishy night. In a 2009, all the technology and thing never about like how them about in Jamaica now, you know. So something will come out of this. I know that one and I gonna just die down like that. Something definitely gonna come out of this, cause I can smell the fishiness from way over which part me there. Something in a something, people. Nah gonna lie. Leave in the comments what you think. Cause we say we're gonna keep up to date with this story, cause something not right, people.